If there's an owl there now, I have completely fucked it up. Hi and welcome back. Today is Sunday, the 18th of February. We hung up the owl box at Sunday the 12th of February, 7 days ago. I've never done this before, and I'm a bit unsure how to go from here. Should I go there when it's dark to listen? And if I hear anything, I can definitely not disturb. That can ruin the nesting for them. I'm a little bit torn on how to go from here. It's 12:25 p.m. I think we should just check. What do you think? As you saw in the last video, there was a lot of snow 2-3 days after. It was raining as hell, and then it froze again. So I bet the snow is pretty shitty to walk in right now. What do you think about my office? It's good. Chop chop. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. I had my birthday yesterday. Now I'm 32 years old. One thing that had on my wish list was this camo suit. I am heavily inspired by Ole Nilsson, my good friend from Sweden. I've seen him use this camo suit from Tragopan. I know, I look like an idiot. There's almost 0 birds these days. So closer. If there's an owl there now, I have completely fucked it up. Time to check. shit. Okay. My original thought with this was to get it out from the tree to manage the lid and to open the lid. But it is a bit too big, and I think it's easier to mount the box without this. So I can easily take this out. I think that's better. Yeah, that's better, much better. So I finally got to mount it a little bit better, but we have a new problem. See, the bottom is, yeah, like tilting down. I thought I had managed to mount the box a bit better, but it turns out it's not. So I'm not really sure how we're gonna do that. I think I need a strap or something to keep it in place. But at least we got the bottom, yeah, fixed. Okay, we are finally back in. Yeah, the mission was successful, I think. I think we got to mount the box a little bit better than it was before. I'm still not sure if it is enough, but luckily the owls are not weighing that much, so it probably won't affect the box if they find it and if they move in. So the plan was to 1, check the trail camera, 2, fill the box with sawdust, 3, move and tighten the box a bit better. And I think we got to do all of the 3. I checked the trail camera, as you could see, but nothing. But now I'm gonna leave it for a month, or yeah, until spring maybe. Okay, so that was my little update as of today. 1 week later, there is nothing inside the box. But thanks for following along, and so I will leave it with that, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.